Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. How do I... All right, let's get the poll going. Elegant Boom, top of the morning. Mahishu, good morning. Audio Reese, good morning. All right, let's get this poll in. Sorry, y'all, trying to take care of some stuff real quick. We got 7 minutes till the market opens. I think we have, I want to say consumer sentiment at like 30 minutes in. Or maybe it's not consumer sentiment, it is... Yeah, it is consumer sentiment. Real quick, let's... How do I get rid of this? What is it? All right, let's see. D-Scurv, good morning. Natasha, good morning. The Victory Match, good morning. Hey, good stuff, Audio Reese. Dwight, good morning. Francis, good morning. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. Yo, we are moving. All right, so I'm gonna close out a Nike out at open. Just a heads up. I'm gonna let the family know real quick. You can go to the Discord. Oh, and one other thing, family. If you copied that 52-week challenge spreadsheet on Google, I got a new link for y'all. I'll make it pinned comment. Because I realized that that spreadsheet, I can still see what y'all are doing. So, yo, if y'all want another spreadsheet where y'all aren't editing the same one, that comment I just pinned up there, that's going to be the spreadsheet for the 52-week challenge. Ideally, you can take that yourself and input your own stuff into it. I was like, man. So yeah, and once again, if you got a copy of that spreadsheet yesterday, I think there's like 6 of y'all on there. I would click the link again. I don't know who already input their data. I don't know if if y'all like got in and changed each other's data, but yeah. All right, let's see. So Dwight, Frank, good morning. Thizzle, good morning. You said me too on Nike, bro. Yeah, Nike. It did exactly what I said it needed to do for that to happen, but I didn't hold it. I don't know how I do, but it is what it is. Christine, good morning. What's up? Hey, real quick, let me I still gotta let everyone know I was about to get out of that TSLL real quick at open. Let's see. When to close out of TSLL put at open for a loss. All right, let's see. All right, we got 2 minutes till market open. Simpsons, what's up? Bought it at end of the day. Hold on, we'll have to get to that a little later. I gotta like catch up. All right, SPY is quickly going for support. My first move is going to be to close out this TSLL though. AM, good morning. Mello, top of the morning. Brandon, good morning. Ann, good morning. Corey, good morning. Happy Friday. Tech Dad, good morning. M-Sense, appreciate you. General News, good morning. Oh, we got stuff crashing. Currency's crashing. All right. Yeah, we got a few seconds till we open up on the markets. I'm gonna get ready to close out this TSLL real quick. Lock in my L. Oh, let's see what we can get. So we got 15 seconds till market open. We got Tesla here on the 15. Or not Tesla, we got SPY here on the 15. We got the Qs pulling back. I want to get Nike on here somewhere. All right, so market's open. There is quite a spread on Tesla. Let's see. Let's see if I can get filled. Yeah, this spread keeps moving. Hold on. See if I can adjust it. All right, so I sold my 2 contracts for 87 cents per share. All right, so I took a L on the. What I buy into those at? Yeah, I took a decent L on that trade. All right. Need to regroup, reframe. Nunet, good morning. Let's go NVIDIA, run it up. Nike's still going up. Yeah, we can take a look at it now. Watch it on the 15. I was kind of looking at APLD. What was this, the end of yesterday? Yeah, I'm gonna watch the SPY too. See what that does. See if we come get a gap fill or if we end up. Feel like it's too much going on right now. A little bit. Yoko, good morning. On the cool, it's too much going on right now for me to look at SoFi puts just because it's not on the screen. So I'm on the hunt right now. I'm already looking for some entries. So like if things slow down, we can look. But I already got six. Actually, we can swap out this NVIDIA screen up here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to the 15. Actually, I think I like this level right here. Dorothy, good morning. Where is this tool? Let's see. Are we gonna come back? Oh, wait. Let's see. See if we can come past that or not. See what happens. Let's see. Yeah, I got my eyes on APLD right now. Real quick, let me. Yeah, we're pushing up. Man, I wish I would have held Nike. We still got consumer sentiment. It's in like 25 minutes, just a reminder. Nike's pushing up. Congrats to everyone who held those calls. Did I say good morning, Dorothy? If I did not, good morning. George, good morning. Are you looking at APLD for calls? Yes, I am. I think I might just, yeah, I might go, let's see. Oh, I didn't look at the Greeks. I hope the Greeks are looking right on those. I grabbed two APLD calls. Not anything too large, but let me check the Greeks on those real quick. We'll see if it gets to my entry, but I bought in like right there. Let me real quick. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I bought in like about right there. We'll see where it goes. All right, let me share that with the family. So I grabbed two APLD 10.5 calls expiring July 11th. That's one I kind of want. Like that's one I feel like is a little bit more of a swing. I might look for some other stuff like after consumer sentiment. We'll see. But let me get that all shared out real quick. Just grabbed at 10.5 APLD call expire. Let me make sure I grabbed the right. Yeah, I grabbed the call. Expiring 7/11. Okay, July 11th. Paid, what did I pay? 79 cents per share. There we go. Also gotta share that. Why is it not letting me paste? One more time, just grabbed. Just grab 2 APLD 10.5 calls paid 79 cents per share. All right, cool. Oh, all right, APLD moving. Oh, AMD is moving too. I kind of was wanting. Wait, did they? I was kind of wanting to call AMD too. I guess I missed out on that. All right, let's see. Got those out. Weeble is finally having some movement. Yeah, they got they had some news a couple days ago. Here, let's see. Actually, I'll just look at the price. I forgot what the news was, but they had news. Oh, I mean, not enough movement on Weeble yet, but that's good. Let's see. Jay Fortune, good morning. No, I closed out of TSL like a few minutes ago, like right at open. So I'm done with TSLL. Actually saw some stuff saying it's going down, so we'll kind of let that rock. One other thing I'll probably go for like a call on the SPY, actually looking at where it is. Where are we at? Oh no, I don't like that. No, we'll let it rock. We'll rock with the APLDs for now. Is important news coming at 10 a.m.? It's orange folder, so it's consumer sentiment. It'll have like a little impact, but like when you say important, it's like what is important? Dang, I'm kind of sad now with those Nikes. I might still have them on my watch list here. Let me add the what I just got. APLD calls. Let me add these to my watch list. I think I had these. Go to the watch list. So here, let's see. Options. Do I still have that Nike on here? Nah. But I do want to see how the Nike's doing. All right, and circle's not doing anything either. I might need to. I'll wait till about midday, but it doesn't look like circle's gonna do anything. I just want to see where their Nike. I think I had the 18th, 80. Okay, haven't missed out on too much for that strike price. It's like, yo, it still would have been money, like especially like since I had averaged down. But if it's going to make a move there, it's not like too far out of the question. Weeble was moving and oh, it dropped. Okay. Did you close? Yeah, I closed Nike before it closed, so yeah, I did. Sound like I closed Nike on stream yesterday. All right. Sound like that stop loss triggered. I know the feeling. Oh no, I did it myself. Did not have a stop loss because otherwise, if I had a stop loss on that, I probably would have been stopped out like at a much higher price, honestly, before I bought the extras. Oh, once again, I want to make the announcement. If you downloaded that 52-week challenge spreadsheet yesterday, and maybe if you haven't and you're interested in downloading like the spreadsheet to keep track of your stuff for the 52-week challenge, it's simple, kind of looks like this. That is the pinned comment. The link the one I posted yesterday, that one, it looks like it has everybody kind of on this same spreadsheet. So the one that I just posted should have you make a copy and you do your own thing. All right, let's see. Hims is climbing. Yeah, it looks like, yo, we got the market climbing. Not really. Yeah, it's like we got a lot climbing right now. Let's see. Oracle, Julie Chime. Where is it at? Honestly, Hims might be a short to me. Like Hims is probably a good one for a pullback in my eyes. I don't know. Here, let's see. Where is it at? Are you buying a call? I already bought a call on APLD. Tesla status. I closed out of the calls on Tesla because Tesla looks like it's getting ready to go down on a higher time frame. Yeah, Tesla. Like if we move to the daily, Tesla has moved below the trend line. Or like the higher time frame trend line. So it just wasn't looking good. So I closed out of Tesla. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla stays in the same range today. Or if it just like falls off a cliff. I don't know. They also posted some liquidity down here at did they do that at market open? Yeah, on that first candle, they sold off to like 320. That's kind of wild. Hopped in the APLD and accidentally got puts instead of a call and immediately lost 13. Why does Robinhood not reset? What do you mean by not reset? I think on Fridays the SPY just likes to run up now, but I will be patient to see if that's kind of what the market likes to do, or the SPY likes to do every day, to just run up. But yeah, let's see. We got the PCE down at like 52. So we just wait till the data, see what's up with it. Hey, you're welcome, Frank. Cheaty, good morning. D Community, good morning. APLD still selling off. I was eyeing this liquidity right here. So hopefully if it comes there, kind of like holds up. But it looks like it's still selling off right now. But this wasn't necessarily supposed to be a day trade anyway. But I still was eyeing this for like prime entry. Lake Room, good morning. Amanda, top of the morning. Oh, hold up, let's slide this up a little bit. There we go. Ryan, good morning. Oh, you had asked about Apple, didn't you? So Apple, I mean Apple looks bullish. It's in an uptrend. Looks like it might go for something, but we'll have to see what we get today. Ryan, good morning. I see Spy. Yeah, Spy. If Spy keeps going for it, it probably gonna run today. I might. I was looking for like a something longer, but yeah. Let's see. I might actually just let's see. No, I'm gonna hold off. I've been hearing Intel has been having bullish patterns. I've been working with Reed. Yeah, Intel's up. They're up to $23. They're out of that little $19 range, so yeah, they should be doing pretty good, pretty well. Yeah, they look like they may finally get past this range, maybe, if this doesn't sell off again. They might be on the way up. You said SoFi is bullish today? Yeah, it crossed the trend line. SoFi is bullish. I mean, it's very overbought. So it like the like what has gotten it up here is bullishness. It's I mean, there's a good chance it finds some resistance. Honestly, this might be a good area for a sell-off. This is a previous like area of resistance. It's overbought. So I think it's been to this level since December. Hit this level December like 13th or so. Last time it was here was like early February this year. This was a lot. This is like a supply zone actually. So actually might be a good area for a short on SoFi. Here, let me look at SoFi real quick. No, I'm gonna leave it alone for now, but SoFi does look like on the chart. SoFi does look good for shorts. Actually, let's see how much they cost. Oh, they got a spread on the ones I'm looking at. I'm really not the biggest fan of these trades with these spreads. See if SoFi can push up some more though. See what SoFi's looking like on the day. If they want to continue to do their thing. Spread is the difference in prices. So, like if we were to come, I don't know, look at this Nike contract. The bid price is $730. The ask price is $765. Now it's at like $720. So there is a currently like a $30 to $40 spread between the bid and the ask. So if I buy in, the fastest way to buy in is at the ask price. If I want to sell right away, like if I immediately realize, hey, I made a bad decision getting this trade and I bought in at 750 and then want to sell out as fast as possible, I will automatically lose $25 just because of the spread. So it's like whenever you see stuff that it has a spread like that, it's not the most appealing because of that. I sold my first put last week, which expires today, 950 APLD, the premium ones. Hey, good stuff. No, yeah, that's like if you look at that my history, that's like 2 shares of APLD. That's good. My last trade from yesterday was a put, so when I went to trade today, I was still under puts, but didn't realize. Oh, that's what you meant by reset. So I feel like it does. It's just feel like it does reset. I think you just need to like close out the app, like swipe it closed, and not just exit the app. Otherwise, it's refresh. You said those puts would have been printing though. Not sure I say printing. Well, depending on when you got them. You probably could have come back to break even though. Cause I'm down like $2 on those APLD calls. I have 100 shares of SoFi at 14, thinking of taking profit. ED Silver, have you considered selling a call? Like if you sell a call, like in the money, or like if you want to take profit, like say you have 100 shares and SoFi is here. Let's look. Oh, let's say we think SoFi is about to pull back because it's at a supply zone, right? And let's say we think it's going to pull back to like 1642. If we came in here, look at the SoFi options chain, and look at the kind of the premiums. So like right here, we're on calls, sell call. Let's give ourselves a little bit of time here. Let's actually just go out 14 days because still want some premium. I don't know. But yeah, let's say, yeah, SoFi is currently at 1711. Let's say we think it's going to come back a little bit below 1650 or whatever. That area we think it's going to come back to is around that 1650 area. All right. We got 14 days for it to pull back, and you get $99 just for holding on to those shares. That way you still get to own the shares. If it is below this price at that point in time, you can, you get to keep your money, or say it moves down really fast before that and you want to buy it back and maybe now it's at $20 instead of 99, you can do that as well, and then still have your SoFi shares. That's just a thought. Because another thing to think about is if you end up selling the shares, these numbers just moved a good amount, because I think this was just at 99. Okay, now it moved like 4 cents. But another thing to think about is like, if this is something you're going to get in and out of, it can be more beneficial to just buy and sell the contracts as of the whole stock, because when you're dealing with the entire stock, you also face more tax implications. It's going to be taxed at a higher rate if you don't hold it for a full year. Just a thought. Josh, good morning. All right, so the SPY and the Q's pushing the calls. I was wanting to buy like a daily here, but I didn't want to buy it in this account. It definitely would have paid off though. Definitely would have paid off. Should have done it. In 401. Oh, okay. Because of the pullback on IWM. How do you see Palantir right now? Palantir looks like it's selling off. It's past the trend line. Here, let's see what happens with that. Yeah, it's below a trend line right now, but it's oversold. I think this might be I'll say buy. Shoot. Yeah, let me I'll grab a call on it for now. Let's see. Let me see what the calls are looking like. Let me check. See what I can get at this. Oh, those are puts. Dang, it's still kind of pricey. I'll still grab one though. Did it? No, it didn't. Oh, wait. All right, so I just bought a Palantir. I bought a Palantir 180 or 48 call. We'll see if this holds up. But yeah, I just bought a Palantir 148 call. I'm hoping this is liquidity. I just bought it right there. I'm hoping this is a little wick on the trend line and that it can still go up. Because it didn't really fully get overbought on the 4 hour. Let me alert the family real quick. What is this? There we go. New position, 52-week challenge. Just picked up a 148 Palantir call expiring, I think it was the 11th, yeah. July 11th, paid $2.12 per share. All right, APLD, we'll try. Oh, we just got the data too. That's probably when the SPY started like really, really rocketing. Let's see how consumer sentiment came in. Okay, little, barely higher, but yo, it's consumer sentiment. All right, let's see. Oh, let me also add that up here. What did I just get? Palantir? Grab the 148 call. Oh, is it already back to 231? Hey, that's cool with, oh no, it's not back to 231. I was about to say that's cool with me, but okay. All right, let's see. Jay, thanks for the Palantir. I hope it puts in work. All right, Jay said, no. Marv, good morning. You mind sliding the screen to the left? So, okay, so it's like the reason the watch list wasn't on there is because somebody else had like said something some days ago, like, oh, we want to see more of the chart. So that's why that was like that. But yeah, it's like, nah, yeah, I don't mind that. No, I like to share certain things. Certain things I like to share. Other things, nah, I'll keep to myself. Dang, SoFi going. Hey, it's gunning for it. All right, let's see. Mahishu, you're welcome. Is Coinbase a good call? I'm going to say it depends on your outlook. Like, it depends on how long you're trying to ride it. Like, just because it's going down right now doesn't necessarily mean. I mean, it's pretty close to that 13 EMA, and it's been like riding it. So it's like possibly, but one thing I will say is like it does kind of seem like it's flattening out a little bit here. Like the pace is slowing, so whether it's a good call, that kind of depends on you, kind of your outlook and whatnot. It's like during all of this consolidation, that's when it seemed like a good call. Now it's it's kind of like extended itself on the run. But if you're looking for a day trade, possibly. Can you give a crash course on how this week has been going in the market? So pretty much, like trading wise, buy at support, make money. Pretty much everything has been doing. If we zoom out, like right here on the 30-minute and look at the week, what the week started. Monday was here. Dang, it's crazy when you look at it like that. Shoot. Yeah, so we opened up about 593 this week. And yeah, we've just been kind of blasting up. Every day there has been like some level of dip. And it's like if you just bought the dip for the upside, we've kind of been going up. The market has been kind of eating it up. I recently found your channel, been learning a lot. I bought a HIMS $45 call option yesterday, up over 100% right now. Hey, glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. Hey, make sure you take profit on that too. Like, make sure you come out in the green on that. 100%. That's a home run right there. Shout out to you for doing what you got to do. Yeah, SPY is going crazy. It is over here at all-time highs. Here, let's look at the fear and greed index too real quick. All right, so right now we're kind of chilling at greed. It's not even like extreme. It's just, hey, it just says greed. If you told me it was extreme, I believe you, but guess not. Is IWM pushing too? Because okay, yeah, IWM's trying to push resistance. There is some liquidity on IWM up here at like 217.40. Just a heads up, but IWM's trying to push its pre-market levels. SMCI thinking calls if it holds up. Yeah, we'll see. SMCI looks like on the 4-hour it can do some more pulling back. Not like anything crazy. I like this. Like I see this liquidity right here that looks good. This 46 level, 46.10. That looks like an area of interest to me. Yeah. You mind checking VGT instead of QQQ or SPY? I mean, I can look at. I don't even. Vanguard Tech. So this thing is, hey, it's on the week. It's running. Wait, hold up. But like short term, I don't say VGT's in the uptrend, but it's not like something that you buy on the day. If I were trying to get into this, like for a swing or anything, it looks like about 653 will be a decent pickup level that's still kind of on par with the trend. Here, let's see. I think SoFi's still moving. Expiring today on Palantir. If you're talking about the Palantir I got the Palantir that expires on July 11th. Yeah, 7/11 is the expiration date for the Palantir I got. Yeah, I no zero DTEs because the plays I took today are there for my 52-week challenge account. I just took a loss on it today, so I'm not trying to just slaughter myself. It's like we've made decent progress on the challenge account. I already kind of slaughtered myself once. Not trying to do it again. So trying to let things play out. All right, let's see. Looks like not trade day today is not hitting support, just running up. Yeah, on a day like today, it's like honestly I feel like it can continue to run. So it's like if you go to a lower time frame like the 5 or the 15 or sometimes on the like 1, you might be able to catch an entry, and then like after you got to watch it closely at one point, and then after a certain point it's like, oh yeah, let me go on and cut out, and or let me set a stop and let it kind of do its thing there. Wait, okay, let's see. Hims is running up. Need. Hey, very welcome, Jay. I need Google to get it in today. Let's go. Very welcome, Marv. On the spreadsheet, the dollar amounts that are on those example numbers, or are they the numbers you have? All right, so right here, I think I don't know if you got it yesterday or today. This is how I'm doing currently. Like this is how I am doing for the challenge. I have completed 8 weeks. I'm on my 9th week. I had to like reset over here, so you'll see midway here. This is kind of how I am. So this is like, if I followed it exactly, the numbers on the left, this is how it would be if I followed it exactly. I would start at this number, end at this number, start at this number, end at this number. But this is how I'm actually doing. So if you got the spreadsheet that's pinned in the comment, it shouldn't be that, I don't think. Let me quickly double check the spreadsheet real quick. No, so yeah, my numbers aren't in there. But this is how I actually fill that out. And yeah, you can see like my profit and loss on the week. This week says I have this loss, but only because I haven't put the profit in yet. But no, this kind of shows me where I would start, and this would be like, oh, this is where my goal is for this week. So that's kind of what we're looking at with that. I hope that helps. This week has been great. Hey, yeah, it has. Hey, it be like that sometimes, Josh. I'm not sure if you're here when I told that one story about the one time I missed school to go tour college and there was a test. Yo, was the one time that we had a substitute and that substitute he made a mess in his pants and yeah, somebody in the class went up to the desk, they read all the answers to the test and everyone got 100 except me. And I was I had just switched down from I was in the class with the valedictorian and each class had its own curve. I just moved to a class where I would set the curve, but that wasn't happening. Like when I came back to take my test, I couldn't set the curve because everyone got 100 on the test except me. Kind of harsh. But yeah, that's like the market this week. Hey, Slump Mode, what's up? Yeah, come on through today. Ready to have you. Shark Lotto, what's up? Do we have resistance level on SPY right now? I mean, we have a resistance on the day. We can. Oh wait, hold up. That's pound tier. We'll go back to a 4 hour on that. We can call current resistance. We'll say about like 615 currently. Like we'll call this I don't know, 615 and 10 cents current resistance. Yeah, this 615 like 10 is the current resistance for now. We'll see how that plays out. Yeah, we locked in this week. Sherry, yeah, Nike went crazy. Yeah, Nike went crazy. I'm glad I have shares of that. I was trying to say, yeah, Nike is a good long buy. I had to close. I closed out my calls. I wish I held them a little bit, but it's what it is. What do you think about Palantir? I mean it's closer to the money than mine, so I don't know what your expiration is. Like going for that if it expires today, I would say that's wild. But if you got the same expiration date as me, I'm like, oh, there's room to profit from that. I want to come in more, but Amazon be working me. Then when I'm not, hey, Josh, it sounds like you got it together. Hey, you are putting in what you need to put in, and I know what you mean by Amazon working you for sure. Like I definitely know what you mean by that. But Josh, hey, you're taking those steps. You're doing what you need to do. Hey, keep getting it, family. It's like every step you take, every move you make is getting you closer to, being what you want to be, doing what you want to do. I say go ahead, family. All right, let's see. Today is storming bad, so I mean, hey, yeah, we're glad to have you here. I'm glad to have you here, Josh. I'm a little upset you're not in the sky right. Well, I'm not upset that you're not in the sky because it's storming, but I'm upset that it's like that you're not getting your flight time. Not hopping on the simulator. Okay, thank you for explaining the spreadsheet, and yes, it helps. Oh, you're very welcome, Thizzle. Hey, glad to hear it, Jamal. Hey, let's see. Ryan, I agree. Looking to catch it at support because, okay. Do we think it's too soon to short SoFi? Not necessarily. It's just like, if you short it here, just be willing to go down on it Like just be willing to go in the red for a little bit, and also make sure you get like adequate time. I would personally look at least 2 to 3 weeks. It could come down today, but I would personally look at least 2 to 3 weeks. On the cool, I think I'm gonna take me like a little fun little day trade too. Let's go for, cause SPY looks like it's trying to give an opportunity right here. Let's see. I'm gonna buy a daily. I'm not going in too heavy. So I just grabbed a 617 SPY call. It's a lotto, but I just grabbed a 617 SPY call that expires today. Just a little lotto. Just grabbed what was it? 617 SPY 0 DTE. What I pay? 24 cents per share. This is a lotto trade. There we go. Yeah, we'll see how that plays out. I feel like it could go well. All right, let's see. Do you think a better short entry on SoFi would be at all-time high we approach? I think all-time high is higher than this, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, I think all-time high on SoFi is it's like 28, so I would say that's kind of long ways. And if you're talking about this 18 kind of 48 level, I mean, that of course would be a better entry, but the question is, do we get that? So really with SoFi, if I really want something like that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to like a lower time frame. Like right now, if I'm on the 10, it's still like very much running, still kind of running on the 5. So first I'm like, yo, how's it looking on the 2? It's like the first thing I'm going to look at is I'm going to be like, okay, when do we break this trend on the 2? Like we're still following the 13 EMA on the 2. So that would be the first thing I would want to see. I would want to see that kind of break down first, because we're definitely still running on that right now. So yeah, until that like slows down, I wouldn't. It's like I would think about puts right now, but like if I'm really concerned about getting the best entry, and it's just running, it's like I'm going to watch it on a low time frame and wait for some kind of trend to break on a lower time frame first. Although check in on the APLD. Looks like APLD is up. Here, let's see. All right, so the APLD is up 17%, and the Palantir is up 4%. That's cool. Good to see a little green in the portfolio. And then we'll see how the SPY does today. I might just kind of let it do its thing. Like I wouldn't be surprised to see SPY at 520. Cause I think I like woke up to some news about or I didn't wake up to it, but when I finished my run, I saw something about saw something about like I think a deal with like China or something. Let me let me check out ground news. Let's see. I don't know where I saw that news about like a China U.S. confirmed details of their trade deal. All right, so that was like 6 hours ago. So maybe I did wake up to it. On Friday, Beijing confirmed that China and U.S. reached an agreement on trade, including export controls and tariff measures. Honestly, to me, that sounds like a more upside. Like I don't even think like we've been running on like no news. It's like if we're running and we're like this, honestly, I could see us gapping up over the weekend if we don't just end up running later in today or into Euro close or something like that. If I'm being real. I want to see this bounce off support. Let's see. What's your stop loss? I don't have any. I don't have a stop loss. I'm seeing how today goes. I got like 2 weeks on the contracts. If it runs enough, I'll just like take the profit. But honestly, what I'm looking for, Palantir, if it like runs to one of these resistance levels, I'll take profit on that. I'll lock that in. I'll probably just sell out everything. But APLD, I have APLD like oh, it's like the trades I entered. Looking at it, they can be day trades, but I'm looking at them more on the 4 hour. APLD looks like it's like ready to break out and move up again. So APLD could be a swing, and this little movement it's doing today, I wasn't necessarily expecting to take profit on APLD today. It's like it looks like I can, but I'm thinking APLD like how it crossed down into this little downtrend over here. It's looking like it's starting to reverse to me because we were making the lower lows and lower highs over here. Now it looks like okay, over here we got our lowest low, we got a high, we got a higher low, and then over here it looks like we're putting in a higher high. So that's why I got in APLD. And then Palantir, right now it's like the trend on Palantir is so strong. Most of the times it's come to this little trend line, it's bounced off. So that's what I'm kind of counting on. We'll kind of see. It's either going to break to the downside or it's going to, after the first half of the day, it's going to push up a little bit stronger and we'll be back. Oh. So APLD is like, I just want to see what it can do. On my chart, I'm showing we are trading below the EMA 9. On what stock and what time frame? Because what time frame you're looking at can make a difference. I personally use the 13 EMA as my shortest one. 9 is too short for me personally. It's like I know some people like to do that, but I use a 13. Oh, I didn't even notice that. I'm at the recent high. Okay, 1850. Nah, because I remember SoFi when it was in the 20s. I'm betting on Ally. Do you mind? Ally. That's hold up. Let's look at that over here. I mean, they're trending up, but here, let's see. If I were to just draw as straight of a trend line as I could, this would be it. And it would look like, honestly, like 37 would be a better area to pick it up. It's also at a level of resistance right now. Yeah, this like 39.50 kind of area. Pretty solid area of resistance. So if it wants to break out past that, then hey, maybe it shoots up, but all right, so SoFi pulled back on the 2 to that 13 EMA and then bounced up again. So yeah, still wouldn't short it yet. All right, let's see where was I at? Oh, friendly reminder. Hey, make sure we smash the like button. I see we got 108 people here. And it looks like we have at least 52 lurkers that have not came through and smashed that like button yet. Let's get the likes up, family. Let's see. Fairly fintech heavy, with good reason. Did you get into that? Oh no, I'm not a. So, I wouldn't get into an Amazon call because of Prime Day. What did you hear me say I was going to do something like that? Just because of my experience with Amazon and Prime Day and just kind of watching things, it's like honestly, I wouldn't necessarily expect Prime Day to run it up. The online the retail side of things for Amazon, that's not like it can help Amazon, but that's not really the majority of their that's not where most of their profits come from. So it's like I don't just trade based off Amazon or off of Prime Day and whatnot. Or like I wouldn't consider that like too big of a catalyst. It's like it can run a little bit because of that, but I don't expect their Prime Day numbers because of tariffs and whatnot to go like too crazy. And it's like I've been on the other side. Like I've worked in like the factories and stuff, and I was like close with my managers while I was in the market, and like just kind of like I would ask them like, oh, yo, how were they saying we did on Prime Day? How are we looking and all that stuff? And it's like they say, and I'm like, oh, it's like what I was seeing when I worked there. It didn't seem like it, but it's like, oh, once the manager said it, and then we get the reports. I'm like, oh, it actually they were telling the truth. I thought they were just like lying to my managers because it's like I know a little bit more about the numbers and stuff than them, but it was like, yo, they were telling them the truth. So I'm like, hey, I still have those managers as contacts too. But I'm like, I don't know. I don't I wouldn't make them move just because of Prime Day. This fall, I expect all of us to be up. TV. Oh yeah. Actually, I still expect some kind of like pullback, a solid pullback. We have not got, but we'll see. Question: just log back in. If the date is pushed out further, does the return increase? If the date for what? Like, honestly, it really depends. Um, I don't. I would highly encourage you to watch my video on like understanding. Um, I think it's called like if you want to understand the options pricing, watch this or whatever. I would highly recommend watching that video because if you watch that video, you will gain understanding of the question you just asked. Because it's like, honestly, it depends. And that video is going to go over the factors. And I think the video is like less than 10 minutes. So I would highly recommend watching that. Spy 5 minute. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's like I don't really love the lower time frames, but right now the SPY is like crossed the 13 and 48 is crossed to the upside. So, and it's still like respecting the 13. So like while it's respecting it, hey, that's still a good sign to me. Hey, top of the morning, Big Red. Slept in this morning, but so far it's looked good. Hey, yeah, I'm glad to hear you kept those Nike calls. They, from where they were, they went crazy. And like into next week, if they continue, they can go crazy. I think they kind of chilled out a little bit on the day, but doing all right. Randy, good morning. Yes, run over the like button with your car or truck. Hey, if you run over the like button with your car or truck, though, make sure that it is very precise, because usually there is some sort of, I don't know, device, computer, tablet, phone there with it. I would not advise running over those. But yeah, thank y'all for closing that gap on the likes. There's still a gap there. It appears there's a gap of like, what's that like? Oh, hold up. Oh, the gap is increasing. What's that? A gap of like, hold up, 10. Oh, like 37. Yeah, that's a gap right there. What do you think about gold for next week? I mean, as the fear rises, I mean, I think gold could end up being a better move, but like right now while we're running up, gold's gonna come down. So that's kind of like asking me, hey, what do I think the market's gonna do next week? I don't know. But I think if you want to add gold, I think it'll benefit you later on from where it's at. But I have no idea about next week. Have to go, but hey, you have a thank you, Mahishu. You have a blessed weekend as well. Been a pleasure having you. You said it just jumped up. Yeah, it just bounced. It bounced right off the 13 EMA. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's like if we turn on like here, this blue line 13 EMA, if we throw on here, I'll add another EMA and we'll call this here, let me change the color. Let's make it like red or something. This one will be that's already the 9. So it kind of like, I don't know, this would like make me more nervous. Like so we got the 13 right here. It's like close to it. The 9, I guess there's some. Let's see the 10. Okay. See how they're very close to each other. They're very close. It's different on lower time frames, but they're very close. I'll turn it off now. But they're close. Can't use 13, no premium. You can. You just have to, you can use whatever one you want. All you have to do is double click what line you want. And then over inputs, you change the number. Like if you want to change it to 48, if you want to change it to 200, you can. There's also an indicator. I forgot. There's one with like, I don't think it's this one. There's one indicator. There's one EMA indicator. I meant to save it, but there's an EMA indicator where you can like take it and adjust it, and it has like 3 different ones, and you can turn them off individually. I'm wondering though, who do a lot of people still intrigued with AMC and GME? Uh, so AM or GME is now like that's a crypto play now. They're doing the same thing as MSTR now. So GME is a crypto play, but AMC, that's a scam to me. I don't know why people would mess with AMC. Unless it's a really big trade, like there is no reason to like hold that, because any opportunity that the CEO gets, he will issue more shares and devalue your shares like that to line his pockets. All right, SPY trying to push up a little bit. Let's get it. He said, yes, I love gold. Gold member voice. Is that like Austin Powers or something? I feel like I'm too young to like remember that like that. But I definitely remember that movie. I just don't remember it that well. All right, at least I know what I'm talking about a little bit. All right, let's pump. Palantir, we want to see you pump. If Palantir just wanted to like run back up to, oh yeah, even if it wanted, yeah, if it wanted to go run to that little high right there, yeah, I think we love that. Yeah, we got like 45 minutes till Euro close. Look at SoFi just running. This is the 2-minute on SoFi. I guess it's a good thing we didn't take any shorts yet. I almost did. And I was like, nah. We're gonna hold out. I don't know how, but my phone keeps like hopping out of do not disturb on its own. I'm like, yeah, we gotta stay on do not disturb. Because we do not want to be disturbed. Oh, you got stopped out, Yoko? Well, hey, that's why you do put stops, cause that would have been something right there. Honestly, calls on SoFi would have been the move. Everyone was asking about puts like to start the day. It's like honestly, whenever you got something just like moving like that, it's kind of hard to stop a moving train. So like when I saw like they like bursted through, and like we were like up here when I saw this pre-market, I was like, yeah, I'm not necessarily gonna get shorts because it's like it's above the trend line that I was looking at to like kind of hold it down. Supreme Court limits judges' power to halt Trump's birthright right citizenship order. What is this? Limits judge power to halt Trump's birthright right citizenship order. What is this? Supreme Court ruled that lower courts exceeded their authority by issuing nationwide injunctions blocking Trump's birthright citizenship order. This ruling followed multiple lawsuits from expectant parents, immigrant groups. Wait. What is the birthright citizenship order, y'all? I feel like I might regret asking that, but or at least like in specificity, like I think I've heard a little bit. Birth. I'm gonna just look it up real quick. Oh, okay. All right. Let's see. Why does KULR trade so funky compared to the rest? Because they're not like an S&P company. They're not like a market company, so they might be in the Russell 2000. I'm not even sure if they may not, but it's like if you're not like top 500 companies, the way you move is going to be different. You're not going to catch the same money. They're like where was I going to say? Yeah, they're not going to catch the same movement and volume as everything else. Elko said, I hate to say it, but we're one of the few countries that do that. Are you talking about the whole birthright citizenship thing? Okay, yeah, understandable, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of like a little loophole for some people. I think I'm a little cool. I might have to throw on my hoodie. Might want to stand up. I feel like I've been sitting down too long. Oh, we're trying to come down on my stocks. A little bit. Still got. What is it? Oh, my ankle feels like it needs to pop. Hold on. All right, we're getting a little pullback on the SPY. A little pullback on things. SoFi pulling. Oh, we're not on the 2 on SoFi anymore. Oh, SoFi has broken below that 13 EMA on the 2. Look at that. We're getting a pullback. Wow. Do you watch SPX at all? Not most of the time because I'm watching the SPY. Just because it's like I'm not trading with SPX amounts right now. It's like there might come a time when it's like, oh yeah, I'm trading with amounts like that, but because I'm currently not, no, not really. It was like I'm not necessarily opposed to it, but it just moves very similar to the SPY. And it's like I just typically actually utilize the SPY, so that's kind of What's up with that? But I do know some people who have taken like $13 on the SPX to like maybe like 800 or so. So yeah, I'm familiar with the craziness. IWM's kind of IWM's pushing. Okay, SPY looks like it's Palantir. Still down here. We still got an hour on this candle, but it's still down here. I'm gonna have to see how this candle closes. May end up having to run out of that today. We'll see. I probably won't make that decision on stream, just a heads up, but yeah, I may have to. If Palantir looks like it's getting too bad, I may have to cut out on that. Pulling back on IWM. SoFi trying to get back above that 13 EMA. It's trying. It might be starting to lose. We'll see if it can make a new high or if it ends up going for a lower low. All right, SPY's pulled back to its 13 EMA as well. Q's at its 13 EMA. What's going to happen here? Still a fair value gap of 21 on the likes. What's going to happen there? Just so much excitement today. Just don't know what's going to happen. Picked up a local currency bond. EMLC is pretty dope. It's a nice hedge against the market. Local currency bond. What is that? Hold on. I'm just curious. Oh, it's JP Morgan local currency. Interesting. Still pulling back on the SPY. Palantir, APO, LD's trying to go down. This is like that part in the story where times are getting tough. It's like, are they going to pull through? Or are they just going to crash and burn right here? I guess only time will tell. But SPY looks like it's kind of formed a little bit of a area of support, kind of at this like almost 640, kind of 80 area. So we'll see how it does there. Here, let's get in on Palantir real quick. Palantir is like extra oversold. Let's see. Is there a catalyst for Palantir? Palantir teams up to build AI operating system for nuclear. Market surge on not critical tariffs. All right, SoFi pulling back a little bit more. See it on the 5 now. All right, yeah, it's at the 13 EMA on the 5. I'm going to check news on Palantir because Palantir is still pulling back. What was... April, happy Friday, good morning. Let's see. Gotta check news on Palantir. Palantir heads for record high. Yeah, I might have to cut out and take a L on Palantir. Looks like it might be getting nasty. Once again, I'll still wait because there's some liquidity here on the 4 hour. Hold on, y'all. Somebody's coming, knocking at my door. I'll be back. back. Had maintenance come through for a quick fix, and it's crazy how simple it was. But yeah, maintenance just came through. Had to make sure that hey, we're trying to pull it back up a little bit. But yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, just had to make sure he knew what we were looking at. Okay, I remember when I first started trading, I was investing in emerging markets and Chinese stocks. I had shares of Yum. I feel like I remember people talking about that. Also fun times. Got in late mode. Made a little bit of money on Nike. Hey, I remember. Hold on, I'm gonna have to go back to the date. On the cool, I don't really do too much stock stuff on my Instagram, but I definitely put in a story. I'm like, yo, now is a good time to buy Nike. I want to say it was at like $55. And I had some people DM me saying like, yo, you think they're coming back after all these tariffs? I'm like, yeah. But let's see. Let me see if I can find the story. Let's see. Go to my archives. I might have to repost it and be like, yo, look at it now. Oh wait, hold on. Those are my posts. See my stories. You said prob not? Wait, okay. What happened to Palantir? Is it just overvalued? Honestly, I feel like it's just a kind of needed pullback. It was up here overbought, but they were kind of like cooling it. So I feel like this might just be liquidity. I feel like this trend might still go on. If we don't really like break past this, I feel like this is just drawing people in so they can buy it up higher on the cool. Like they almost got me, but then I like kind of took a look at it. Oh, it's like I'm not convinced yet. Where is that? How long was it? Long ago was it? Oh, it says something about it. Oh, here we are. It was in April 3rd. Nike. I said this stock is up for a ride, but definitely adding Nike to their long term. There we go. Yeah, I said that on yeah, Nike was trading at like $55.70. Wow. Can you look at sound for a long time? Long call. Are you talking about SoundHound AI? SOUN? I'm still not really a fan of it. It's still doing a lot of chopping around. Like, you did get some crosses on the EMAs, but it's still like a big mess, so I don't like it. I would need it to pull back below like 777. Honestly, probably below this 6 kind of 65 area. I cannot call this kind of came up and kind of died. It's like if you want stuff on this, it's like you can go for like leaps, or maybe something in my eyes that might be wiser to do is adding shares. But I feel like if you get a call with some time on it right now, they might just eat your contract or eat your money up. Because unless there's like a catalyst for it, I wouldn't go for anything. All right, so we got SoFi pulling back. So yeah, it's like if I were looking on the 5 minute, I would have. We got our confirmation on the 5 minute for the downside on SoFi. If I were really been struggling with fair value gap analysis, so fair value gaps they're not something that you have to come back for. Or no, they will get filled at some point, but it's like when it comes to fair value gaps, they're kind of just there. I wouldn't just they're not something you just trade just targeting. It's like maybe it's like you want something else to be there. Like cuz if we turn on that indicator that you showed me, I actually do I do like the indicator even though it missed out on. I guess there's not one here. Wait. Yeah, I guess there's technically not one because it's filled in. But it's like I like the indicator, but just because there are fair value gaps doesn't mean they're going to come back to it right away. Like we still have a fair value gap like down here on the 5 minute. It's like sometimes the fair value gaps are getting filled in. There's no fair value gap on the higher time frame, and that's all that matters. So it's like fair value gaps are not an end all be all. They're kind of just more of a, hey, this is an area where we could reverse, but not like an area where we will reverse. So that's like a possible entry kind of area, but I would try to look for other things that are close to it if I were going to do stuff like that. Paper traded SPX 2000 in like 10 minutes. Hey, bro, we're all cold when it comes to paper trading. The real challenge is when it comes to putting the real money down, cause it'd be different. It's like when you don't have to worry about it. No, yeah, it's like cause it's like I see a lot of bangers. I give you guys a lot of bangers. No, yeah, it is. It very much is. Emotion is what gets most of us. That's what the market makers are playing at when we get all these movements and whatnot. It's like they ultimately know where the price is going to go. You said, okay, cool. What about the break of structure and change of character? I don't know the indicator. I just look at it like I just see the break of structure. So like depending on what time frame you're on, all you have to do is like look at the range. Like right here, you can see on the 5 minute, you have this consistent push. Like if you just look for like pushes like this, it makes it clear like, okay, this is the range. This one is bigger than the range to the left and the range to the left, and the range to the right. So because of that, I know this is going to be the range. Just like maybe you can even slide it to the top or whatever. But until it breaks out, like till you get a candle close above this, it's still trading in this range. So in order for there to be a break of structure, you would need a complete candle close above like this high over here. That would be a break of structure to the upside. And if we came and broke this to the downside, this would be a change of character or a market structure shift or whatever you want to call it. But until you exceed one of those, until you get a candle close above one of those, I'm not just talking about a wick, I'm talking about like the body of a candle past that, you don't have it. So I would say it's going to be better when you like just practice like maybe doing this like maybe like 5, or maybe just yeah, do it like pick a couple charts to do it on every day, and then it kind of just becomes automatic and you just kind of see it and you don't need the indicator for it. Because sometimes like these algorithms, they get thrown off, and the information they give is kind of weird. Oh, hey. So I'm looking at Derive, and I see it was from like an hour ago, but I see like they actually have a call on Palantir. So that gives me a little bit more hope on the cool. On the cool. Hopefully they're not wrong. They were wrong about the Nike, or maybe they won't. We'll see. They, maybe more time goes on, but they were. We'll see. Would you spend that type of money? Okay, I feel you, Robert. Write about paper trading and going live, but paper trade is, uh, yeah. That's why I like the watch list. That's why I like the watch list. Like it's good to see what's possible. Like when you want to test and theorize things, yeah. I just do it with money that I think will actually like I try to do it with money that it's like if I have to, there are times it's like I have money and it's like I would put this much in a trade, but it's like I would take all these trades with this amount of money, but it's like whenever I have to pick one trade over another, that's why I like to look at use the watch list and stuff like that. Here, let's see. Here, let me actually check out. I see Circle dipping some more. Might hold on to that. Still got a couple weeks on it. So it's up $30 on the day. Still down like 125 or 50%, but the circle is moving up. This is the momentum kind of needed. Real quick, let's look at that. This is what I need on circle. This is what I've been needing. Finally getting some new lows. I need circle to just like I was ideally like targeting like 166. We'll see what happens. Cause I might end up just getting out break even. It didn't. It took like I don't know, actually an extra week. I do live trades and still practice paper trades on Moomoo. Hey, cool. Yeah, circle is yeah. Big Reg, I'm not sure if you said that like because of me or if we just both started talking about circle at the same time. I just looked at it on my chart and then I saw yours. So if you didn't bring that up because I had said something, that's crazy. And we were both doing that at the same time. Might go long on Palantir. Honestly, yeah, that's like there's liquidity at this level. We didn't quite push down to it, but yeah, there's support here still. So seems all right. Oh, you said it because you were looking at it. Okay. Yeah, I had like I saw it on my screen like over here on the watch list. I'm just like, oh, hold up. Yeah, circle doing his thing now. I wouldn't be mad if Circle wants to like, hey, if we turned on that fair value gap indicator on here, let's actually do that. Where is that? Yeah, if we turn on that fair value gap indicator on the Circle, hell, we still got that fair value gap down to like 86, 64. Hey, let's fill it in. And then on the weekly, it's down to like 124. If Ripple goes public with their own stablecoin stock, would you? No, not personally. Unless it's like something, if it's just like extra cheap and I can just throw in on, but probably not. Oh, they just put in another Palantir call. It's a swing. Hey, we'll take that. We'll take that. Yeah, go on. Push it up for Palantir. We'll take that. What time frame are you on for the Palantir chart? This is a 4-hour chart. And if yours doesn't look like mine, it's probably because you don't have your extended hours on. Because that is a question or concern I get a lot from people. They say my chart doesn't look like yours. What do the two blue lines represent under this pie chart? So this was the pre-market. This was on the day. This blue line was pre-market resistance. This blue line was pre-market support. That was kind of the range. So we had made resistance over here. And I think we had made support. Oh, I guess it kind of sold off a little before the market opened. So I guess if we looked at it, if I had adjusted it properly with this, that's open. So it would actually look more like this. This was like the pre-market support, and this would be pre-market resistance. I just kind of made those like 20 minutes beforehand. That's why. It's like that. How do you create those lines? So with the lines, there is a tool. Let me see if you can't see it. So I have it down here. I have my favorites bar down here. It's called the horizontal ray. It'll just kind of make a line from wherever point you do it. Make a horizontal line that goes to the right. There's also a line tool that will just make a line going both ways. So it would be those. There are also tools here on the left. So if you need to find those, you'll have lines in this section up here. Yeah, you'll have different tools on here. If you look at I think it's like the main video on my channel. Like if you go to my page, I think it's called like how to trade for beginners. Like all of this charting stuff, I made a video over all of it. It's that one video. It'll get you set up. Hey, it'll get you right. Let's see. Weeble. What about Weeble? The stock is not really doing anything, so I'm not trying to look at it. It's like I do have calls on Weeble that expire in like January, but other than that, not really trying to do anything with it. And it allows you to add the prices to it. So that's going to be in your settings. I think if you want to see the prices, you would come to the settings. Symbol. I think it might be scales and lines. Oh, you have to like. Yeah, so right, no, those are indicators, values. There's like somewhere in here. Visible scale placement. Oh, it's somewhere in here where you like get in and adjust kind of whether or not you can see it. It's been a while since I've done it. That's not really anything I play with. But yeah, you can change it to where you can and cannot see it. Can I get a link to the Zoom meeting you had on Wednesday? Yeah, let me actually make that link kind of let me fix that real quick. So that would have been on the 25th. Where's the Zoom meeting? Okay. Yeah, let me post that in the Discord real quick, and then let me Discord, Patreon. Here, where's Zoom calls? Here is the link from Wednesday's. Wait, hold up. Zoom call. I spelled Wednesday wrong. I always forget it's Wednesday. There we go. It still doesn't look right. Nah, it's good. Let me post it in the chat here real quick too. There we go. Let me share that on YouTube too, or on the. Where are we at? I feel like the spy is just about to burst out here, but we'll see. Let's get it going. There it is. Got it posted on YouTube, and then real quick, one last place, Patreon. There we go. Got it all posted up. Very welcome. Very welcome. All right, let's see. Nvidia hitting 160 today. Where are they at now? We'll see. It's possible. Very well possible. Hey, one thing sure, or for sure, they're hitting an all-time high today. What platform am I using? So for this charts and stuff, this is TradingView. This is tradingview.com. Trading. Today I have used Robinhood and Moomoo. Said I hope this buy does burst out today. I just got a 143 call next Friday for Palantir. Hey, let's get this money, Big Reg. I think it's looking like it'll do well. It's looking like it'll do well. It's holding up. It had made me a little nervous. I'm not on these 4 hour candles like I've been. Let's see. Let's see. My bad. It was 144. Hey, we're still here to get this bread, family. Regardless. Very welcome, Robert. Can you look at GE? For a long call or a short on G? So pretty much, can I just share my opinion on GE? Because it looks like you want it both directions. Oh, hold up. All right, so it's up here in the overbought territory. It's this little second dip, or maybe triple. It's honestly, this might be a good area. Honestly, this looks like it would be a good area to grab a short. My first target would be probably to about this 254, like 70 area. But ultimately, probably be targeting like 252 or something. It's like it's in an uptrend. It's doing its thing. I wouldn't really try to take it like that. But if you got multiple contracts and you want to take the consideration of maybe this is a big like double top, and it's like, oh, we get past this EMA, we keep moving, then it's like, oh yeah, sell out some more, and then yeah, it's like. But if I'm just trading one contract, I'm just trying to probably get into about like 252 or so. That's how I look at that. My brokerage is public.com. I've heard of them. I haven't like used them. I think I might have tried, but I there was something like I didn't feel like doing all the sign up stuff. I'm like, yo, I've done this too many times. Got a lot of brokerages. Oh, my circle puts are now up a little bit more. Oh, that's just because the bid to ask spread got a little wilder. Welcome, Ronica. All right, Spy. Oh, Spy is trying to push new high on the day. Let's see. Yo, there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Take off. Euro close. Come on. Push. Let's do this thing. All right, so we got the Spy still trying to push up. We got the Qs back above resistance. Nvidia kind of pushing up. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Hood and Palantir kind of having the day. Palantir down 4%. I no longer have RGTI, but I would not remind. Oh yeah, Rigetti. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Rigetti. That would be amazing to see him pull back here. But that almost seems crazy now. We have looked at BBAI like every day this week, pretty much. Everyone keeps asking about it. Yeah, I'm still not messing with it. I'm not getting in it where it's at. I would need a pullback to at least like this $4 area. Like it's running, it's double, like it's RSI has a kind of double top. It's getting ready to sell off. Maybe not like right here today, but like just RSI wise on the 4-hour, it's getting ready to sell off. Think I should have rolled the Nvidia. It expired Monday. And look at it go crazy. Hey, that is bro, that's what these market makers do. They know exactly what you need. They know exactly where everything is. Let me check in on my what is that SPY call I grabbed? Hey, I'm up $4 on that SPY call now. That little lotto. Hey, I'm here for it. Could you look into the 1-hour frame? What's there to see on the 1-hour time frame on Palantir? I don't like the 1-hour time frame right now. It's oversold. That's all I see. And it looks I don't like the way this looks as much as I like the 4 right now. So right now it doesn't really tell me anything else. The only thing that really changes for me is just is that the RSI is oversold on the 1-hour. So that was the only thing I saw that was different. It seemed scarier. Whereas I feel like this is liquidity, so it's like this candle, this candle right here is like bullish and possibly a reversal, but other than that, it's like, let me stay on the 1-hour or the 4-hour. I got in SPY 0DT up $5. How high? MCents, I'm here for the ride, bro. I don't know. I don't know how high we're taking this up. So, just like I still may lose all my money. So I'm just seeing where it can go. I have no idea. When I took that trade, I'm like, hey, I'm chill with it just going. So if they wanna take my money, they can take it. That's my attitude for this 0DT on the SPY. Been working 16-hour shifts. Whoosh. Think I'm delusional. Yeah, that's wild. Especially like if you gotta commute with that, that's wild. That's like no, there's like not enough time to sleep and eat and all that stuff. 16-hour shifts. That does not sound legal. Still holding on to my Palantir call until it hits my stop loss. Let's let's uh let's hope it doesn't hit your stop loss. I'm still holding on to mine too. And we're just uh, let's expect it not to hit your stop loss. I'm in that same call, M-Sense. Palantir and APLD, like they don't need to be closed out today. So I'm like as of right now, I'm going to swing them. There's not like a necessarily a target. If Palantir went up to its highs or even back up to its resistance, I would cut out because this is just for the challenge and that's a lot more than I need. But there's not necessarily like a target. It's like if it wants to run to the top of the range, cool. If I see the numbers I need before then, I'll cut out then too. Like honestly, if Palantir touches a 140 and I see it slows on momentum, I'll cut out. But it's like I have no idea where. Like if it's not intended to just be a day trade, because of all the factors like time and whatnot, I don't know where exactly I see myself getting out. I have to look at like the theta and see how its effect on the options are. All right, hey, that SPY call is now up $8, 33%. Yeah, I'll do a little dance for that. Let's go. Let's get it. Woo. Let's see. Me and my wife do that every other day. 16-hour shifts make your days melt together. Yeah, that's kind of wild. What are these shit? What kind of jobs require 16-hour shifts? Like y'all, please let me know. There's or like are they at home or are they like y'all let me know what these jobs are. I know someone told me they work like one of those I think they might have said 16-hour shift too when I went to like a Lifetime. Okay, I was kind of thinking something in the medical field, but you kind of you get to sleep on the job a little bit too, right? You just have to be there. Like do they give you time to rest? I know whenever I was like in nursing school, I had like those 12-hour shifts. I'm like, man, this is wild. All right, yeah, the spy popping off a little bit. It's up 58%. Public safety at a university. That kind of sounds unsafe to me a little bit. It's like, yo, I want the people. Do you get to rest on the job? That's my question. If you get to rest and you got people with you, that's kind of more okay. But if you don't, it's like, nah. I want to make sure the people that are supposed to take care of me are also taking care of themselves and rested. Midnights or in dispatch. Oh, okay. A little bit. Okay. Yeah, because we also need you taken care of too. So short staffed, almost impossible. Yeah, it's like we're not spending enough money to fund things, but also like we're not paying enough people to spend money. It's a problem. It's a problem. Yeah, everywhere it's like short staffed though. It's almost like you need what is it? Like AI and these robots. But then it's like Yo, Howard, I still don't know, like, how are people gonna get money? I used to work at a detention center, and we used to have to work 16-hour shifts sometimes, usually at least twice a week. So I guess my next question would be like, yo, if you have ever worked a 16-hour shift, like, what was the most hours you've worked in a week for your job? I thought I was putting in like them hours when I was, I think, what, Amazon. I thought I was putting in hours when it's like they try to they stop you at 60, but there was like one time I think I hit like 62 hours working Amazon. Over 100. My goodness. Whatever they pay you, I can already tell you it's not enough. Or whatever they paid you working those shifts, I can already say it's not enough and they need to pay you more. I hope you love what you do. Or at least feel like a sense of purpose. Hey, that's what we want to hear, Yoko. Yeah, it's like it's a lot easier if you love what you do. You know, they say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. But also, I feel like that's semi wrong because it's like sometimes, even if you love what you do, it can exhaust you sometimes. Over 100 is crazy. I probably hit 80 in a week. I feel that. It's like I can probably say 80. And it's like I think like with the stuff I do now, I could probably go over 100, but like I don't know. I think whenever I was in Portugal, I put like a emphasis on being present. So whenever I am people, with people, whether it be family, friends, or just people I'm just meeting or whatnot, I try to be present and not thinking about work or whatever. I know that can be easier said than done. That's why my phone is like constantly in do not disturb because bro, there is always something going off. If Palantir breaks resistance, are you going to end up looking for puts? You said breaks resistance. You mean break support? Um, I'm not gonna flip around and go for puts or anything today. If Palantir ends up selling off more, but as of right now, it's looking like Palantir is going to be all right. If it stays where it is right now for the next 13 minutes or so, it should be fine. Ideally, it pushes up more, but if it stays where it is, it should be fine. No, I sold out a TSL like right at market open, at the beginning of the live stream, pretty much. I didn't get the highest I could have got for it. I think I sold out of like it was either 87 or 89. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it was one of those two per share, like 89 cents or 87 cents per share, something like that. All right. Those hours kind of enhance my vices. After a long day, my brain forces me to get a beer and cigar. It's like me. I like to. I don't know. It's like I feel like when I relax, I still like to do something I feel like is pushing me forward. So it's like when I. So normally I will like. I don't know. Watch something educational or something like where I feel like I'm learning and being enriched in some way. But when I get like tired, I'll just watch something that's just like just pure entertainment. Or like now that I got like this I got like the Nintendo Switch 2. I already did like all the Mario Kart stuff. My one of my friends just gave me a Super Smash. So it's like if I get like tired, I'm like, oh yeah, let's play this for a little bit. That's if my wife's not around. If my wife's around, I'll just chill with her. Let's see. Q. Hey yo, morning. Gonna go. I already grabbed the Palantir call. I grabbed the Palantir 148 call expiring July 11th. So yeah, all right. I grabbed the Palantir call. This is. That's what this is showing. But I got a more important question. Hey yo, are you gonna smash the like button? Get the likes up. Support the channel. Help free the people. Oh yo, family, we're getting kind of close. Yo, we'll be getting off here pretty soon, family, and we are 11 likes away from being freed from the depths of El Salvador. So, if you can hear the sound of my voice and you have not already, and you care about this family, yo, be sure to smash the like button. We're like 8 likes away. I know there is no longer a negative fair value gap on the likes. We have filled in that gap. That is good. But yo, we want to be free. Here, let's see. The majority of time I'm at work, I read and study. I watch sermons too at home. Sadly, I'm turning up typically. What's I gonna say? Yeah, I listen to a lot of stuff. Like when I'm at work, I turn on a lot of stuff, but relatable. Kilo Hotel, what's up? Always liking, never lurking. Appreciate you. It's always D Scurv. What is it? Thankfully, God gives us one day at a time. Yes, sir. Hey, that's what we do. Take it one day at a time. We'll get there. Appreciate you, Brand. Make sure y'all like the stream. Yeah. Hey, we're 2 away. Hey, honestly, I would say I can say, hey, we're good now. I can come through and save us because I haven't liked it yet. It's just like it's a little bit more work for me to like it from my own account. Like it's like I can see the stream. I'm like it's showing like where I am on the stream right now, but it doesn't show me a like button. So I gotta like pull up another tab and go through and like it. So, or I can do it on my phone. I can do that real quick. I might be 100 if one of y'all don't beat me. Let's see. We're about to make this happen. Let's see. Let's go to my channel. Let's see who's first. Oh, there it is. Yo, I did it. Oh, no. Somebody beat me. Because I see 103. Okay. Y'all try to take that. Y'all try to take number 100 from me. Okay. All right, Mr. 23 Rock 23. Appreciate you. Kinda. I wanted that 100 feeling, but it's cool. Hey, we're all in there. And we did what we need to do. Already smashed the like button. Quick question: are call options more likely to hit in the morning? I would not necessarily say that. You get more volatility in the morning. You're more likely to see quick movement in the morning, but no, I wouldn't necessarily say that. Oh, these curve. Thank the wife for me. Thank the wife. I hope y'all have a blessed evening. I hope y'all enjoy each other's company today. Just unlike so you can hit the 100 click. I appreciate that Kilo Hotel. Unfortunately, we got too many. Well, it's fortunate, but unfortunately, it's okay. My time will come. My time will come. All right, let's. Bro, these birds. I think there's like a bird's nest in the gutter, like right above me, because I always see birds just like diving, like right from above my window, and just like diving down. Thank you, Dorothy. Learning so much from you. Thank you, sir. Hey, you're very welcome. And one like is plenty. If you want to come back on Monday, hey, I'll take one again then too. Appreciate you, Amanda. So I expect bullishness personally. Well, we kind of hold up. We're kind of up. We're up like $4 on the day and like 0.5%. But here, let's go to ground news real quick. Let's take a look. I am not good at looking at this on the computer, but let's see where it is. I don't really love this on the computer. Where'd it go? Here, let's go to. I feel like my stuff is. Oh, that was a blind spot. Facing EU deadline, Apple announces App Store changes. Apple announced changes to its App Store payment rules in Europe. It hit a Thursday deadline. How's Apple doing? Oh yeah, Apple's up like $1 on the day. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Wait, okay. Hey, very, very welcome, Jay. Hey, glad to hear that, honestly. Very happy to hear that. Hopefully we can stack good on good. Hey, look at this 4 hour candle on Palantir. I forgot who asked to go down to the 1 hour, but it's looking a little bit better. I still prefer to look at it on the 4 hour because I don't know why this makes me feel nervous unless it's just like running on the 1 hour. It makes me feel a little nervous. But hey, this 4 hour candle, I see this liquidity. I'm like, yo, there are some buyers down here. Let's see. The community. Thank you. Appreciate you. God bless you, man. What is the news folder? Is it an app? Are you talking about this one? Oh wait, hold up. I guess you can't see. So this is forexfactory.com. I'm not sure if this is what you're talking about, but there are like different folders on here. And they kind of tell you the expected impact. So like orange is kind of like a medium impact. Yellow is like little impact, and red is more like a higher impact. And that just like when you see the higher impact, it's like I would think, oh, we'll see greater movement around those times. Here, let's see. Started using ground news because of you. Did you use my code out of curiosity? I got like a 40% off code. just so y'all know, if y'all want ground news, I gotta find. Let me find it real quick. I don't even know. I'm not sure. Oh wait, I think I have it on my channel. Let me see. But yeah, if any of y'all are interested in ground news, I'm still like kind of like getting the full feel for it, but I like it. I like the way it's set up. I'm not sure if it's a code, but it's like, wait, let's see if I can just. How do I type this in? Let's see. I don't think it's a code. There's a link. Check.groundnews. Oh wait, ground.news/manual mm. I guess that's my link. It's I think it gets you like 40% off. Oh, do they have a free version? That's cool. That's clean if they do. I don't think it's not really that expensive anyway. But hey, 40%. If you're gonna pay for 40% off, it's 40% off. Dang, Elf. What's going on with Elf? Elf. Oh, it's down like $1.45. All right, so that is here. Actually, let me set an alert on this. I'm gonna set an alert on this EMA on the 5-minute. Wait, let's see. EMA, not a value. There we go. So I'm gonna set an alert to like let me know if we close below this 13 EMA on the 5 for the SPY, and I might take profit. I might still just be like, yo, I'm gonna ride this and just see what happens. But looking at the rest, I'm going to leave everything else untouched. We'll see. We'll see if I take profit on the SPY. I might just try to let Robinhood close me out. We'll see. You're welcome, honey. Let's see. Nike almost to 74. Hey, that's the stuff I didn't want to hear, D Scurry. But hey, that's great, honestly. So it's almost back. It's almost back. I think it was originally purchased at like, oh no, maybe it's in the green. Matthew, enjoy your weekend. Thanks for all you do. Nah, hey, it's all love in advance, family, making me shut down something about quality time getting bread. Hey, let's get it. All right, family, that's gonna do it for the week. I hope to see y'all back next week if y'all want to come through. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Hope y'all enjoy yourself. Yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Mr. 23 Rock 23. Oh, the name's moving. Peace out, Anthony. Peace out, D Scurry. Peace out, Kilo Hotel. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Amanda. Peace out, Jay. Peace out. Did we say D Community? Peace out, Honey. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, I Play Roblox. Peace out, Emson. Peace out, Ryan. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Yeah, like here's hoping we run for the day. I hope SPY closes at 5 or 6:20. You know. Peace out, Crystal. Peace out, Francis. Peace out, Alan. Yo. Yeah, y'all. Peace out, family. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Hope you have an amazing day. Hey, it's hot out there. Y'all make sure y'all stay hydrated too. Peace out, family. Catch y'all. Oh, peace out, Majada Gator. Peace out. See y'all. All right.